morning, Balers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Nikki.
And I'm Sophia.
Stephen Paul Jobs was an American business magnate, inventor, and investor, and he said that great things in business are never done by one person, they are done by a team of people.
The ASVAB will be offered at Hollister High School on Thursday, September 28th, 2023. Please sign up with Miss Android in the College and Career Center if you wish to take the test. The Armed Service Vocational Aptitude Battery, ASVAB, is a multiple aptitude battery that measures developed abilities and helps predict future academic and occupational success in the military. Do you know what C-3PO's girlfriend's name was?
I'm not sure I want to know.
Android.
Hey, that's actually so funny. Seniors, this is the last week to register for SAT, ACT prep course offered on campus. The last day for registration will be Friday, September 22nd. Limited spots are available, so you must come to College and Career Center in 184 to sign up. You may also contact South County Cal Soap Advisor to see if you qualify for a reduced price. Please see the attached flyer for some more information.
Valley Pizzeria is hosting a benefit event to support this year's ASB beneficiary, Ruby Melendez. This Thursday, September 21st from 11 a.m. to 10 a.m., 20% of proceeds go to Ruby. Be sure to mention Ruby at checkout and enjoy the great pizza.
And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And
remember, go Balers!